Well, good evening friends. Today we'll discuss some alphabets which are most important for human being. As you know, everybody has plan and planning leads to success. And if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Your planning depends upon three things, that is hard work, knowledge and imagination. After that, your attitude will be strong. Then you will be going for love of God, which is the most important point in your life for the success and for the realization also. Okay, let's start with what is plan. Plan, if you see this word plan, P-L-A-N, right? And see these alphabets, A, B, C, D up to Z. There are 26 alphabets, and if you add these letters, P-L-A-N, plan, 16 plus 12 plus 1 plus 14, you will find 43%. Any work you want to do, you want to materialize, you must have plan. So plan is your 43% only. And after planning, if you are going to work hard, labor hard, then your percentage will be hard work, H-A-R-D-W-O-R-K, that is 8, 1, 18, 4, 23, 15, 18, 11. Just add this, you will find 98, right? If you have knowledge, then it will be 11, 14, 15, 23, 12, 4, 7, 5. And just add, you will find 91%. That means planning with knowledge, that will lead 43% to 91%. 43% to 91%. And again you have to reverse back towards hard work. Plan plus knowledge, that will help you, motivate you to work hard. That will be 98%. And after hard work, no work will be incomplete. Everything will be complete. So after hard work, you will be going for imagination. Just say imagination. That is 112%. But before that, hard work will determine your attitude. That is A-T-T-I-T-U-D. If you are 1 plus 20 plus 20 plus 9 plus 20 plus 21 plus 4 plus 5, you will find 100%. That means if your plan is excellent and with a lot of knowledge about the subject, about the work, nature of the job, then that will lead towards hard work. That will be 98%. 43, 91%, then 98%. And ultimately, your attitude will be strong, your attitude will be dynamic, very dominant, very aggressive towards your goal, not aggressive towards your man, towards your fellow man. Then it will be 100%. Right? After that, if you go for love of God, any work you are doing, you must dedicate it to Lord Jagannath or Christ or Islam in the religion, you will find Allah or Gurudwara, any God who is your deity, even your parents or even your guru or even your teacher, even your friend, even your wife, husband, whomever you love most, you must take some time to give whole credit. Suppose you are studying, then the credit should go to the faculty. No doubt you are studying, but you should give credit to prestige to the faculty. If you are working in an organization, in a company, you must weigh your obedience to the MD of the company. If you are working in software technology, ERP, SAP, then that you must oblige to the company. Their rules and regulations, obedience by the rules and regulations. If you are working in, suppose identity line, if you want to become an IS officer, IPS, Indian Police Service, or you want to be an English expert, or you want to be a Dharmatma, Guru, Mahatma, Mahapurush, right, saint, then that should be dedicated to God. What I mean to say, your attitude should be 100%, that will lead towards love of God. That's why we say, start the day with love. Start the day with love. Spend the day with love. Spend the day with love. with love, because love is way to God. Love is way to God, and love is also way to your success. And what is God? God means G generator, O originator, D destructor. So generator, originator, destructor is known as your God. Just say G-O-D. G is your generator, O is your originator, right? And D is your destructor. What we say, Satyam Shivam Sundaram, that is 3. Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, that is also 3. Even if you multiply 3 into 3, that is 9. If you go to the astrology, or you may go to the astronomy also, even science says this 9 is a magical number and it is the way to God. So love of God is your 101 percentile, right? And at last you have to keep in mind that you must have planning, number 1. You must have hard work, number 2. Number 3, you must have knowledge about the subject, about the career, about the about the goal also. And then you must have attitude, that is 100%. Then that should be dedicated to Lord. It may be your parents, it may be your guru, it may be saint, it may be Lord Jagannath, it may be Muhammad, it may be any God or anything, anybody you want to dedicate, right? And at last you will find imagination, which is the most important thing. Albert Einstein said, imagination is more powerful than knowledge. Knowledge is powerful, no doubt. Benjamin Franklin said, knowledge is powerful. Knowledge is powerful. Just see here. Knowledge is power. Said by Benjamin Franklin, former US President, Benjamin Franklin. But my dear, imagination is more powerful than knowledge, that is 112%. Please remember, if you want to be an IAS officer, imagine day and night. Your imagination will bring success. That does not mean that you will sleep day and night, you will be successful. Imagination must be 100% and work must be 100%. What I mean to say, while working, you must imagine that I am going towards the coast. Suppose you are a number 1 player, Usain Bolt number 1 player in a race. Then he must be thinking that okay, I will be number 1 athlete, so he is doing that. If you think I am number 1 speaker, then imagine that day and night definitely will be that line. Suppose you want to be number 1 actor in this world, you will be like that. Suppose you want to be number 1 software engineer, you will be like that. Suppose you want to be a writer, you want to be an actor, you want to be a poet, you want to be orator, you want to be professor, you want to be number 1 marketing man, number 1 management expert, whatever it may be, if you are imagining that thing for continuously, spontaneously from your heart and mind, and it is said that whatever your mind conceives, heart receives, then that will definitely materialize in this dynamic world. And you have to think that imagination is more powerful than knowledge. Imagination is more powerful than knowledge. Albert Einstein said. Albert Einstein. So please remember, Albert Einstein, the number 1 scientist in physics, and we celebrate 2005 as the International Year of Physics. He said that imagination is more powerful than knowledge. So here I will conclude with one sentence, that if you want to be really a successful person in any field, I said in any field, it may be Golgappa, it may be the top level astronaut or anything, IAS officer, whatever it may be, you must be imagining. You must imagine. Your thoughts should horizontally and vertically expand day and night to achieve that. किसी भी चीज को अगर दिल से चाहते हैं तो भगवान नीचे आ जाते हैं आपको मदद करने के लिए, लेकिन वो चाहत में जान होना चाहिए, वो चाहत में जुनून होना चाहिए. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Achieve your success. Thank you, Sudha Singh. Thank you, Vita.